The Honda Ridgeline is embarking upon round 2 of its unique social experiment, attempting to clearly demonstrate how much beefy looks do or don't matter to pickup truck buyers. The soft appearance, and Honda's irritating infotainment system, is really the only knock against the Ridgeline. It's an incredibly well-executed utility vehicle. The ride is smooth and forgiving without being roly-poly. The cabin is quiet and comfortable, and Honda's V6 feels particularly strong in this application, probably due to well-chosen transmission ratios. Out back, the bed is wide but shallow. It may seem odd to regular truck buyers at first, but consider what, and how, you haul in the bed and you'll quickly realize the resulting deep, lockable underfloor storage is worth the trade-off. That face, though, it's so damn wimpy, and that's coming from someone who's neither a hardcore truck guy nor saddled with any domestic brand allegiance. Hopefully it's just me and I've got some kind of complex to work through, because the Ridgeline is just about ideal for the everyday driver/light-duty pickup. In the future, all Hondas will be some variation on the Pilot. The Odyssey already is a Pilot with sliding doors, the CR-V will be a smaller Pilot, the Civic Type R will eventually just be an even smaller Pilot with a Farcan exhaust in the wing, and so on across the model range. The Ridgeline is the Pilot with a pickup bed. It works, first, because the Pilot is a perfectly serviceable, perfectly comfortable, perfectly competent starting point, and second because it is designed to meet the needs of what a majority of truck owners do with their trucks the majority of the time. That is, they use them like a crossover with a bed in the back. Yes, even you, dear reader who is also a hobby horse rearer, I'd bet the rear doors of your crew cab see more use than the in-bed gooseneck trailer hitch. That doesn't mean the Ridgeline, with its puny 5,000 pounds towing capacity, will take the place of your Dually 3500 HD on your sprawling Clydesdale ranch. If you're living in the suburbs doing more than occasional home improvement work,